Welcome to Option Rally News in our weekly event update. The big market event this week will be the Non-Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index. This week, it's all about the ISM Non-Manufacturing PMI. This data is released on a monthly basis and measures the level of a diffusion index based on surveyed purchasing managers, excluding the manufacturing industry in the United States. If the report is above 50, it indicates industry expansion, and below indicates contraction. This index is based on surveys of more than 400 non-manufacturing purchasing managers within 60 sectors across the United States by the Institute of Supply Management. The last index that was released in January registered 53%, 0.9% lower than December's reading of 53.9%. This indicates continued growth at a slightly slower rate in the non-manufacturing sector. So why does this matter to you? Firstly, it is a leading indicator of economic health. Secondly, businesses react quickly to market conditions, and their purchasing managers hold perhaps the most current and relevant insight into the company's view of the economy. When this index is increasing, investors can assume that the stock markets should increase because of higher corporate profits. The opposite can be thought of the bond markets, which may decrease if this index increases because of sensitivity to potential inflation. So how does this affect your trading? For traders, this data may be useful for examining the status of the industries in which they hold their investments and examining the trends taking place in that corner of the market. This indicator is gaining more and more attention with every release, providing insight into business areas that are not well covered in other indicators. Well, thank you for joining us for the market event of the week. Join me for the daily news here at Option Rally TV and watch for our special market events updates weekly. You can also follow me on my Facebook page. See you there.